Hey guys, welcome again your own channel Mind Thunder, and today I will tell you how to unlock any Android phone like Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Samsung, Poco, any type of Android phone, any type of models of any Android phone you can unlock just a minute and without help of any service center, without help of any computer. So now first check your phone must be in flight mode and your battery percentage must be above 40 to 50%. And before going to start the video, without going to tell the process how to unlock Android phone, so get ready. But before going to start the unlocking process, I want to tell you again these things. I want to share with you. If your phone is not unlocked by this process, please tell us in the comment section which handset is yours and which model is it, because the code which I am going to share for unlocking process may support in many handset or may not support in many handset. So get ready. I am going to tell you, just follow it and unlock your phone in few minutes. And you can unlock pin pattern finger face lock without help of any service center, without help visit of service center, and without lost of any data or application. So I hope you are ready for unlocking. So I'm going to, and I'm ready with you. I'm ready for you with the today for new secret code. This secret code is the most important, and you can check my all the video process is the similar with the all the videos, but secret code is the very important thing, which is very important for all the Android viewers. So today we are ready for new code, and this code I will tell you. So now you can understand that all the process you know the very well, because you can able to see this code is locked through the password, and now you have below this screen emergency calls option is here. So click on it, and now it's time to share for secret code, and today's secret code for all the Android phone, and this is valued up to October 2023, and this code is a star hash 500904 a star 654. After that you have to press hash. I am going to zoom because, and there are so many comments you are using finger backside finger for unlocking, so you can able to see there is no finger option is coming on this handset, and this handset is Realme, but process for all the Android phone, and this code is all, this is same for all, this is all for all the viewers. This code must be in all the viewers. This code is valid for all the Android phone, and this code is a star hash 500984 a star 64654. After that you have to press hash. If you want to take note down, please note down. If you want to take a screenshot, please take a screenshot. Now you have to call on this number. You will get pop-up message. Ignore this message and erase this code and apply engineer mode code, and this code you know very well that star has a double nine, and after that you have to press hash. Now engineer mode page is activated on your screen now. So process is very same. So first we have to check Android version. Similarly, your Android version, my Android version is 12. So similarly, your Android version is 546. Anything you apply the same method. Click on as per Android version. So I am pressing here 12 times and come back from this option and go with the manual test. Second row device debugging page, and check proximity sensor test, proximity calibration, and confirm here. Come back from this option and you can check sensor auto test. Now you can see test successful. Come back from this option and sensor self test and calibration. Now you can able to see gyroscope and accelerometer, both operation are not started. So first you have to start here, at least one must we have to pass. Without this process we are not going for, we are not take next step. So this is very important for all the unlocking process. So come back and again apply this method, and without any delay you have to press on the same time press on both option. Maybe it will take time 4 to 5 times, 6 times. So we will wait here for text pass. Come back again. This try this method. Now we will waiting for text pass. I hope you are also waiting. Now finally gyroscope is passed. We will get passed option. So we will take next step from here. Now go with the last others option. You will find others option after swiping the last page, and you will get others option, and there are 4 5 option is coming. So as per Android version, please press here on database version or mainboard version. So apply same number here and click on rewrite important log text. Confirm here. After completing the whole process, now it's time to check our phone whether the lock of our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button, and as you can see, our phone is unlocked without loss of any data or application, my friend. I hope you like this video. Subscribe our channel, like and share. Bye.